Alright, boys and girls, all the Gilomen tune and clutching stuff is here for the 2020 RZR XP Highlifter. So I'm going to start getting that stuff unboxed and installed. So I'm kind of interested to see what it's going to do with this versus how it was on my XP. I also have a General Deluxe, so I'm going to be doing the same. Okay, we're digging into the box here. Packing stuff. Pretty sweet hat. These are the shivs for the belts. 3 new G-Boost World Best belts. 11/48. All the exact same belts. One for my General as a spare, one for this XP Highlifter, and one for the General Deluxe. We have 2 kits. I ordered everything all at once. So we got the General Deluxe kit. With the extra rollers, because when I looked at mine, my XP is actually, I think it had 800 miles on it, and the square pucks are wearing into the aluminum already. So I'm definitely doing the roller upgrade on each one of these that I do. Like I said, I went with the belts. I completely swear by this G-Boost World's Best belt, so we're definitely going down that road on both of these. Here is the kit for the General. Helix, secondary spring, primary spring, and the weight kit. Dig into those. Let's see what the XP Highlifter gets. Secondary spring, primary spring, and the weights. Okay, let's get to work on all this stuff. Okay, so got the clutch cover off the XP Highlifter, and as you can see, the belt scrubs here too. Pretty good actually in a couple of spots. So you can't tell me it's only a General XP issue. Okay, got the belt off so far. Got the primary main bolt out. Take out the 3/8 bolts. Start putting the springs and weights and everything together. It's pretty clean otherwise, other than those belt scarfs in the case. Which I didn't think I'd see on this, but they were there. Alright, so same deal on this RZR XP as on my General XP. Where those square pucks are at, they wore into the aluminum housing quite a bit. This thing's got 1,100 miles on it now. It's a 2020. So glad we go with the roller upgrades on this one as well. So we got the springs and everything in the primary and all back together and torqued. Secondary is going back together. Alright guys, 2020 Highlifter has the Gilomen clutching in it, the G-Boost World's Best belt, and the tuning. So I got to break in the belt, get 40 miles on it, so it's all set to go. So far just kind of putting around the yard because I want to get it broken right. The response is definitely better. You don't have to wear your seatbelt to go over 15 miles an hour. The cooling fan turns on earlier. There's no more dead pedal. You push the pedal down an inch and nothing's happening. So I'm pretty excited now to get it out and hammer on it a little bit and just see exactly how much more juice she's got Claims 10.7 horse. Obviously, there's a laundry list of things that it does help do. Cooling fan being one of them. Speed limiter getting gone in high range is one, amongst a bunch of other, not necessities, I guess, but niceties, we'll say. So stay tuned. Once I get her broke in, we'll be rematching this one and the General XP and the General Deluxe and see what kind of progress was made with all this tuning and clutching.